Imagine transforming your daily energy, immunity, and longevity with just a bowl of vibrant greens. In a world full of supplements and superfoods, the humble hero spinach and kale stand out as nature's ultimate medicine. These leafy legends have been nourishing bodies and healing hearts for centuries. From ancient Greek warriors to modern wellness enthusiasts, today, they're not just vegetables, they're a complete health revolution in every bite. The Green Miracle. Why spinach and kale deserve the spotlight. Spinach, Spinacia oleracea, and kale, Brassica oleracea, Varsabellica, are part of the elite group of leafy green vegetables known for their dense nutrient profiles and powerful healing effects. Packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients, they form the backbone of a truly balanced diet. What makes them exceptional is how they nourish every system of the body, from digestion and metabolism to immunity and brain health. Let's dive deeper into their nutritional treasures. Nutrient powerhouse. What's inside the leaves? Spinach, the iron-rich energizer. Spinach is celebrated as one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. A single cup of raw spinach offers vitamin A, essential for eye health, skin repair, and immune defense. Vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone strength. Folate, vital for cell growth, DNA synthesis, and pregnancy health. Iron supports oxygen transport and prevents fatigue. Magnesium enhances muscle function and reduces stress. Antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, protect the eyes from age-related degeneration. Spinach's combination of iron and folate makes it an excellent choice for women, athletes, and anyone dealing with anemia or low energy levels. Kale. The detoxifying Kale, often dubbed the Queen of Greens, is a cruciferous vegetable brimming with detoxifying and anti-inflammatory compounds. A single cup of kale contains more vitamin C than an orange, boosting immune health. Vitamin K levels up to 1000% of your daily requirement, supporting bone density. Calcium, important for muscle contraction and heart rhythm. Sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant that fights cancer-causing free radicals. Omega-3 fatty acids, ALA, promotes brain function and heart health. Together, spinach and kale form a nutrient symphony that revitalizes your cells, purifies your body, and strengthens your natural defenses. Healing salad. How to prepare a curative green bowl. Creating a healing salad isn't just about tossing vegetables together, it's about balancing flavors, textures, and nutrients for optimal absorption and taste. Step by step, how to make a healing spinach and kale salad. Choose fresh, organic leaves. Select dark, crisp spinach and kale leaves. Avoid wilted or yellowing ones. Wash and massage. Rinse thoroughly to remove pesticides or dirt. For kale, gently massage the leaves with olive oil or lemon juice for 2 to 3 minutes. This softens the texture and reduces bitterness. Add complementary ingredients. Healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, or nuts to help absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K. Protein sources. Chickpeas, tofu, grilled chicken, or boiled eggs for muscle support. Colorful veggies. Bell peppers, carrots, tomatoes, and beets to boost antioxidants. Citrus dressing, lemon, lime, or apple cider vinegar to enhance iron absorption. Optional super boosters. Sprinkle with chia seeds, flax seeds, or hemp hearts for added omega-3s, south, and fiber. This combination creates a balanced healing meal that detoxifies, energizes, and nourishes every cell. Health benefits. Why spinach and kale deserve a daily spot on your plate. Detoxification and liver support. Kale's sulfur compounds, especially glucosinolates, activate enzymes that flush out toxins from the liver. Spinach adds chlorophyll, which binds heavy metals and helps eliminate them naturally. Together, they act as a cleanup crew for your bloodstream and organs. Immune strength and inflammation control. The abundance of vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids boosts immunity while reducing chronic inflammation, one of the root causes of disease. Regular intake can reduce the risk of respiratory infections, joint pain, and skin disorders. Bone and muscle health. Both greens are rich in calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, which play a central role in bone mineralization. These nutrients also support muscle contraction, nervous system balance, and cardiovascular stability, essential for athletes and aging adults alike. Weight management and digestive harmony. Low in calories and high in fiber. Spinach and kale promote satiety and healthy digestion. The fiber content supports the gut microbiome and prevents constipation, while their high water content hydrates the body from within. Vision and brain protection. The lutein, zeaxanthin, and omega-3s found in these greens shield the eyes from UV damage and slow cognitive decline. Studies suggest that regular consumption may reduce the risk of macular degeneration and Alzheimer's disease. Cardiovascular wellness. Spinach's nitrates naturally help lower blood pressure, while kale's antioxidants prevent cholesterol oxidation together, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Cancer prevention. Both greens contain chlorophyll, sulforaphane, and indole-3-carbinol, compounds that neutralize carcinogens and support DNA repair. These effects make spinach and kale valuable allies in cancer prevention diets. How to incorporate spinach and kale into your daily routine. Consistency is key. Here are easy, delicious ways to make these greens part of your lifestyle. Morning smoothie: blend spinach or kale with banana, pineapple and coconut water. Power breakfast: add sautéed spinach to scrambled eggs or avocado toast. Lunch salad: mix kale with chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, and tahini dressing. Dinner adon: stir spinach into soups, curries, or pasta before serving. Green tea infusion: steep a few spinach or kale leaves in hot water with lemon and ginger for a detox drink. Cook lightly. Overcooking can reduce vitamin content. A quick steam or saute preserves both flavor and nutrition. Precautions and contraindications. What you should know: while spinach and kale are nutritional champions, certain individuals should exercise caution. Oxalates and kidney stones: both greens contain oxalic acid, which can contribute to calcium oxalate kidney stones if consumed excessively. People prone to stones should drink plenty of water, limit raw spinach and kale, combine with calcium-rich foods like yogurt to balance absorption. Thyroid considerations: kale belongs to the cruciferous family, which contains goitrogen substances that may interfere with thyroid function when eaten raw in large quantities. Light cooking neutralizes this effect. Blood thinners and vitamin K: individuals on anticoagulant medications like warfarin should maintain consistent vitamin K intake to avoid drug interference. Don't eliminate greens, just keep portions steady. Digestive sensitivity: the fiber and roughage can cause bloating in sensitive individuals. Start with smaller portions and gradually increase intake. The science behind the greens: what research says. Modern research strongly supports the ancient wisdom of green eating. A Harvard study found that those who ate leafy greens daily had a 20% lower risk of cardiovascular disease. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reports that vitamin K intake from greens reduces bone fractures by nearly 30%. According to the National Eye Institute, nutrients in spinach and kale slow macular degeneration progression by up to 43%. Clearly, these greens aren't just side dishes, they're powerful medicines disguised as food. Holistic benefits: mind, body, and spirit connection. Eating greens isn't just about nutrition, it's a mindful ritual of self-care. Their vibrant green color symbolizes renewal, growth, and balance. Incorporating them into your diet can uplift your mood, increase vitality, and align your energy with nature's rhythm. When you eat spinach or kale, you're not just feeding your body, you're reconnecting with the earth's healing essence. The future of green eating: from farm to fork. Sustainability and health go hand in hand. Spinach and kale grow easily in most climates, require minimal resources, and support eco-friendly agriculture. Choosing organic, local greens not only boosts your health but also protects the planet. Look for farmers markets or community gardens near you. Freshness matters. The closer your food is to the soil, the more life force it carries. Your green journey starts today. You don't need expensive supplements or detox kits to feel renewed. The secret lies in your salad bowl. Spinach and kale are timeless healers that deliver pure vitality, clarity, and balance to every cell. So tomorrow morning, when you plan your meal, remember this: every green leaf is a promise from Nature, and your body will thank you. Ready to transform your health? Start today by adding just one serving of spinach or kale to your meals. Your energy will rise, your mind will clear, and your future self will glow with gratitude. Go green, your total health begins now.